Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So I'm gonna answer two questions that I have, and I'm gonna pull it up and through my phone. So this question comes from EJ Reed, and this is a question of what I did for showing the video quality of the Amcove camera. Now he wants to know is how do you get the video from the camera to your phone or computer? Okay, so if you have an Amcove camera like the one that I have, it's super easy. It's not complicated. It's just a few steps that you have to take. So if you want to get it to your phone and you don't want to upload it to your computer, the first thing is you have to have an editor. Okay, so I'm gonna pull up right here I use the Filmora editor, so I'm gonna pull it up and show you how to get it into your phone, which is super easy. So let's just wait until this pops up open. Okay, so here we are in this Filmora. This is how I edit my videos. Okay, so once you edit your videos and you like it, you're gonna push export. Oh wait, I need to have a project. Okay, so let's just put videos that I have here. Just that one, just a random video. When you have your video, like, you like it or whatever, and it's time to export it and upload it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click export. Now this thing is gonna pop up. Now this side on the left side right here, this is where it formats. Now this is where you're gonna upload it through your computer. If you want to upload it through your computer, this round right here is devices, is where you want to upload it if you have an iPhone or whatever. This is if you're gonna upload it like in a format or in Vimeo, actually, excuse me, in Vimeo. And this is where if you're going to burn it in a disk. So when I upload it, I like to upload it in my device. So in any device you have here, if you have an iPhone, you're going to go ahead and click the iPhone. But I have Android Genetic, so I'm going to click Android Genetic, and I'm going to type in my name. And right here it says to save it. So you're going to go ahead and save it on videos. And resolution, you're going to go ahead and click settings and go to resolutions, and you're going to hit 1280-720. You're going to press OK. And then you're going to export your video. Okay, so once your video is export, you're going to go ahead and go to your files. So you're going to go to videos. And then you're going to look here for the video that you just uploaded. So let's just say that I want to upload this one. You're going to go ahead and connect your phone to your laptop. And let me show you how to do that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my connector. So what you're going to do is you're going to connect your laptop, your phone and your laptop. I can't talk right now. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And that little noise is that your phone is connected. So now here's the phone right here. So let me go. Okay, so your phone is right there. Okay, so Galaxy Note 9, that's my phone. So we're going to go to videos, and we're going to drag this one here. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag it. We're going to copy it to the phone. And we're going to do it to DCIM and camera, and we're going to let it go. And the video is going to be copied to your phone. So we're going to click the camera, and there it is. And now I'm going to show you here in my phone how do you put the video into your channel. Super easy. So let me go record it over here. Okay, so I'm here filming in my phone, and we're going to go ahead and go to gallery, and this is the video right here. So this is a video where you're going to be uploading. So for upload, you're going to hit on the bottom where it says play video, just the bottom. And here you can upload it to any account you want. So we're going to push YouTube. And here is where you're going to title your video and stuff like that. And then here in privacy, you can put it in public or unlisted or private or whatever you want to. If you want, you can go public, and you're going to push up here the little blue button, and it's going to upload into your phone. So that's how you upload a video through your phone. Okay, so now we're back here to the computer. So that's how you upload it through your phone, AJ Reed. That's how you do it. Now, the other question that he had was from the Amcove camera when I got my camera. It says, how do you get the video from the camera on to your phone or laptop? Now, I already showed you the phone. Now I'm going to show you the laptop one. So the laptop one is super easy. It's not hard. So let me get my camera. Okay, so here's my camera right here. So it has the USB. So what you're going to do is you're going to connect your USB to your computer. And we're going to, it says, you see the red little light? We're going to, I hope you guys see the red little light. Where's the, oh, it's not here. Oh, there it is. There's the little red light right there. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on. You guys can see. Okay, so now you hear that little sound is that your camera is connected to your computer. So you're gonna go here to folders. Okay, so here we are in my folders. Now this is a camera, so you're going to double click the Amcove, and you're gonna double click here, and double click here, or double click there. So you're going to have your video. So what you want to do is you're going to grab it, click and drag it to your videos. So you're going to drag it to your videos like this, and you're going to say yes, and it is now uploading into your, transferring to your folders. So that's how you're going to do it. It takes a while, so let's give it some time. Okay, so now that it's transferred, we're going to go ahead and click videos, and we're going to find the video that we just uploaded. I have so many, so I have to look for it. Okay, so here it is. So this is a video that we transfer. Now, what you want to do is we're going to go, this is how you put your video, your camera videos in here. So now you do is just go to the internet, you go to Google, and then you just upload your video that you upload, and you're good to go. So that's how you transfer your videos from your camera to your laptop. So it's super easy. It's not that hard. Now that I'm done here, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that one. Now that's how you do it. It's super easy, super fun. So you have to have an editor to export it through your phone, because if you don't have an editor, then how are you going to do it? So so that's how you do it, and that's all about the questions that I had. And if you guys like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I need one more subscriber to hit 200, so just click subscribe, and also push that notification bell so you guys won't miss none of my videos. And I will see you guys next time. If you have questions about the cameras, feel free to comment below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.